Automatically share same story or post on Facebook or Instagram. If you want to automatically share your post between Facebook and Instagram, first of all, make sure to log into the Instagram account as well as the Facebook application which you want to link between these two sources. Now, after you've done that, what you have to do is launch the Instagram app again. Then, after you've done that, tap the profile icon, tap the three lines icon from the top right hand side, then go to Account Center. So once you're here on this page, go to the option that says sharing across profiles. Then over there you can select your Facebook or Instagram right there and just turn on your post or stories or even reels on all these, right? So automatically share this and just do the same step for the Facebook version as well. Over here, just make sure to turn on all these options, and next time whenever you post something, your post or your story will be automatically shared to the other platform or vice versa. So in this way, you can automatically share same post or story on both Facebook and Instagram simultaneously. If you have any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon as always in the next video.